Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of healthy drinks that can give you glowing skin. You think that greasy takeaway is giving you a glow? That's not a glow, that's shame. Listen up, you lot, because I'm about to share 5 amazing drinks that will actually revitalize your skin from the inside out. We're going to break down each drink, explore their ingredients, and I'll show you how dead simple they are to make. We'll cover the benefits for your skin and the best time to drink them for maximum impact. So put down that fizzy drink, you muppet, and let's get started. First up, we're starting the day with a classic green tea with lemon. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary bottled concoctions you find in the shops, full of artificial sweeteners and God knows what else. This is about pure, clean flavors that'll wake up your taste buds and your skin. Green tea is packed full of antioxidants, little ninjas that fight off those nasty free radicals that age your skin. Think of them as tiny warriors defending your complexion from the damage caused by pollution and stress. And the lemon? It's not just there for a fancy garnish. Lemon juice is a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and brighten your skin. It's like a mini spa treatment for your insides. Now here's how you make it. It's not rocket science, you hear? Brew a cup of good quality green tea. Don't even think about using those dusty old tea bags that have been sitting in your cupboard since the Stone Age. Fresh is best. Once brewed, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. That's it. No sugar, no milk, no excuses. This is your morning wake-up call. Drink it first thing on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism and let those antioxidants get to work. Next up, we're spicing things up with a turmeric latte. This golden elixir is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients. Turmeric, the star of the show, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that can calm down redness, fight acne, and give your skin a healthy glow. It's like a soothing balm for any irritation or blemishes. We're going to supercharge this latte with a pinch of black pepper. Now before you think I've gone mad, hear me out. Black pepper actually enhances the absorption of curcumin, making sure you get the most out of this golden spice. To make this magic potion, warm up a cup of your preferred milk. I prefer almond or coconut milk, but use what you like, you won't offend me. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness if you must. Whisk it all together until it's smooth and frothy. This isn't some sloppy dishwater. You want a velvety, smooth latte that's worthy of Instagram. Enjoy this drink in the evening as a comforting bedtime ritual. The turmeric will work its magic while you sleep, leaving you with radiant skin by morning. Aloe vera. You've probably seen it in after-sun lotions, but this plant is a kitchen miracle worker too. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a godsend for your skin. Think of aloe vera juice as a tall glass of hydration for your skin. It helps to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote healing. If you've got a sunburn, acne, or even eczema, aloe vera is your new best friend. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, isn't aloe vera bitter? And you're not wrong. But trust me, we're going to make this delicious. You can either buy pure aloe vera juice, or if you're feeling adventurous, harvest the gel straight from an aloe vera leaf. Just make sure you wash it thoroughly first. We don't want any dirt in our drinks. Combine the aloe vera juice or gel with a cup of water, the juice of half a lime, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. The lime adds a refreshing zing, while the mint gives it a cool, invigorating flavor. Give it a good stir and enjoy this revitalizing drink any time of day. It's especially refreshing on a hot day or after a workout. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Feeling puffy and bloated, looking like you've spent the night sleeping in a bag of crisps. That's where cucumber mint water comes in. Cucumbers are natural diuretics, meaning they help to flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. They're also incredibly hydrating, keeping your skin plump and youthful. And the mint? Well, it not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also aids digestion and can even soothe an upset stomach. It's like a breath of fresh air for your entire system. Now this couldn't be simpler to make. Slice up a cucumber and for God's sake, make sure it's washed properly, and throw it in a pitcher of water with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse in the fridge for a couple of hours, or even overnight, to allow the flavors to really develop. Sip on this refreshing drink throughout the day to stay hydrated, beat the bloat, and keep your skin glowing. And the best part? It's practically calorie-free, so you can drink as much as you like without feeling guilty. Now, I know what you're thinking. Beetroot? That's going to taste like dirt. Listen, you lot, don't knock it till you've tried it. Beetroot juice might not be the most glamorous drink, But trust me, it's a game changer for your skin. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This magical compound helps to dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and delivering vital nutrients to your skin cells. Think of it as a superhighway for oxygen and nutrients, giving your complexion a healthy, radiant glow. We're going to make this beetroot juice a bit more palatable by adding some other powerhouse ingredients. Along with the beetroot, we'll be throwing in some apple, ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The apple adds sweetness, the ginger gives it a bit of a kick, and the lemon balances out the earthy flavor of the beetroot. Wash and chop the beetroot, apple, and a small piece of ginger. Don't even think about skipping the peeling. I want to see those knives working. Toss it all in a juicer and blitz until smooth. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender and then strain the juice through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve. Drink this vibrant juice in the morning or before a workout to boost circulation and give your skin a healthy flush. Just be warned, it might turn your pee pink, but don't worry, it's completely harmless. There you have it. 5 simple, delicious drinks that'll have your skin glowing like never before. No more excuses. You've got the recipes, now get to work. Remember, healthy skin starts from within, so ditch the sugary drinks and processed foods and embrace these natural beauty elixirs. Your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and keep glowing.